Hello all you ghosts and ghouls out there, it's Tasha, and I'm back with my first Halloween tutorial of 2021. This is Crystal Slime. Alright, we're starting out with 2 coats of our ghoulish green in gel polish number 136 from Ugly Duckling here, curing in between each layer of course. Now I'm going in with black art gel and my painter brush from Ugly Duckling and creating these long stretched out teardrop shapes. We're going to do this across the nail in different lengths, in different widths, and then we're going to go in and we're going to create some curved lines to join the teardrops and help finalize that illusion of the polish, or sorry, the art gel dripping down from the cuticle area. Make sure to apply this product sparingly. Ugly Duckling products in general are very, very highly pigmented, so a little goes a long way. I'm just applying this here and finishing up the dripping effect, and we're going to do a full cure on that. Next up, we're going in after this clip with some Schtik It over the cured black art gel, and I'm not going to cure that. I'm going to go in with a coat of no wipe over top of the uncured Schtik It, and this is going to help us avoid having to cleanse the nail after we've applied our crystals. So now I'm just going in with that wet combination of Schtik It and no wipe, and I'm applying my crystals. I'm going to apply my crystals according to the shape of the area and the size of the area that I'm working on. So if it's a larger area, I'm going to use one of our larger crystals, either an SS12 or SS16, and vice versa for the smaller areas. If there's any areas that I don't have a crystal that will fit properly in, then I'm going in and I'm filling in any open spaces with some black caviar beads. Once we've got all those crystals in place, we're going to go ahead and we're going to cure them. Schtik It and no wipe is a 60-second cure in the Ugly Duckling LED lamp, so go ahead and do a full cure on that. Now I'm going back and I'm working on that little area here with the little drips, and I've done just the same as I did before. I applied a little bit of Schtik It and a little bit of no wipe right over top of those. Applying my crystals and my caviar beads, locking them in place with a good cure after I've got everything set down. And then we're going to go back and we are actually going to apply a little bit of no wipe over those caviar beads just to really lock them in place and make sure that they stay for the length of your client's set. Easy peasy, crystal squeezy. Oh, that was so lame, but this is such an easy look to recreate. It is time consuming, but I promise you it's well worth it. Your clients will love it. I know I love it, and I hope you do too. So thanks so much for stopping in, for taking a peek at this crystal drip design. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you have a spooky, spooky Halloween season. Until next time, take care.